Eagle Island is a small island in County Mayo, Ireland. In 1835, two lighthouses were constructed on the island. Their lights were aligned at a height of 67 meters, 220 feet, above sea level. On March 11, 1861 at midday the island was struck by a rogue wave. The wave damaged the east tower, smashing 23 panes, washing some of the lamps down the stairs, and damaging the reflectors beyond repair. This illustration gives you an idea of the wave's size. Eagle Island is located close to the edge of the continental shelf and is constantly pounded by powerful waves from the Atlantic. At present, the island is uninhabited and the lighthouses are not operational.